New Rocky Road swirls. My regular. I'll try something new. See how it is. Alright. About to order me a White Out 2-in-1 copper insulated beverage holder and tumbler. Of course, with my bird bucks, my new flavor. So yeah, go ahead and add it to my cart. Okay, sips in 4 to 6 weeks. Alright, 2-in-1 copper insulated beverage holder and tumbler. Go ahead and continue. And y'all know I already got this one right here. So yeah, now I need this second one. So yep, go ahead and check out. Go ahead and apply.
So it sounds like you got a tip from the guy who just pulled over, and now he's going to the address of what I think was a pizza delivery.
Alright, now I'm going to submit my order. Thank you. The order has been completed. You receive email immediately. Yes, the package has arrived. It arrived today. So yeah, I'm about to get into it. Box opening time. So yeah, I'm about to go to the house here in a second and pick up my package, open it up, and check it out. I'll see y'all when I get there. Alright. On the way to the house now. Go open up this box. And I don't know if I said it before, I probably did. But I'm gonna get Juju, get him this tumbler. He said he wanted one, so I'm just gonna open it up and I'm gonna let him have it. Just like that, we back. The package in hand. First class shipping department, Coggins Fulfillment. I like where it come from. West Side Boulevard. Alright. Here we go. Now see, it's not open. It's not open yet. Still got tape all around it, so we're gonna see it at the same time for the first time. Yeah, I do got my old one in here too, so I'm gonna compare and contrast and compare whatever the differences. Yeah, man. I know I got razor here somewhere. There we go. You know I keep a blade. You never know when you gotta cut somebody. Nothing in the box. Kind of small, kind of short. Now look. Okay, it's about the same size then. Okay. Let's see. Here we go. Whoa. What? What? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. They got me. I don't smoke games. Hold on now. Let me find out. Game and White Owl working together. Now, I know y'all seen it too. When I was ordering it. Now I know good and well that thing said White Owl on it, not game. Oh man, that. Oh man. No disrespect to y'all game smokers, but I don't smoke games. I smoke White Owls and Swishers. Oh, what's else going on the bottom or something? I don't know where this go. Inside. Let's see. Hey, take it down. The struggle is real. Oh, there you go. Turn, look. See, look, now, it's not just me, see, because look. Now, y'all might think I'm tripping now on my old one. See, that's what that does now. And so, like, I'm figuring that this one do the same thing. But no, this one you got to turn. I mean, it's a little, do not microwave. What did I say? Hand wash only. Do not microwave. I don't know what food is going to put anything in the microwave. I don't think this one say that. See, if it don't say that, you know what I mean? We ain't no food. But now let me see what this right here for. Okay. So it goes in like that. Hold on. Let's do this right. Now how is it supposed to go? Is it going this way? Or hold on. Where this go? Shit. Okay. All right. We gotta figure this out. What the heck? No kind of instructions. Now, hold on, y'all. Alright. How does this pop up? Boy, this thing really tight. What is this? I don't know, but it looks like it should. Okay, it screws in there, but I guess it's just a holder. What is it supposed to hold? A beer? Okay. I guess that's what it is. Alright. That's why I say 2 in 1. 2 in 1. So I guess this, when you put this on, you could like put your beer, I guess, in here. You know what I mean? And so when you want to like have your hot drink or whatever, I guess you put this one on. So I got me a can there too. So I'm gonna see if my theory is right. I'm gonna go in here and get me a can and see if a can will fit. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Got me a can of Mountain Dew. Now, do y'all think he'll fit? Let's see. No. Okay. Let me see. Take that off. Then put it in there. Ah. Ah. Okay. Okay. That's dope. But I wish it was white out though. Okay, y'all. See. Y'all see how I just attacked that right there? I mean, y'all might already knew what it was, but I didn't panic or nothing really. I just sat back, observed, and executed. So I figured it out. So yeah, it's a 2-in-1. Either I can use it for my regular drink, you know what I mean? Either want something hot or cold, you know, we can sip it. Or if I'm at a club somewhere at a bar, like you want to take a koozie in the club with you. But if you do, boom, put it in there like that. Screw the lid on, and boom. So yeah, here we go. My new 2-in-1 tumbler, little mini. And my regular size. Now, I'm gonna wait till I clean this because I got stuff in here still. It's Kool-Aid. But yeah. And this cost me 100 bird bucks. Now I might have to inbox them and be like, I don't want this game. I want my White House. But yeah, here you go, y'all. It just came in. I ordered the other day. And it just came today. And like I said, I wanted to give it to Juju. But this little old thing, I mean, if he want it, he can have it. If he don't, he don't gotta take it. But I'm gonna say he can have it. Because he wanted this one. He wanted one like this. Now, I think they raised up the bucks on this one now. I think I got it for when I got this one. I think it might have been 100 bird bucks too. But I think now it's like 180 or something crazy. So I'm gonna see if he wants this one. He probably will. So that's cool though. You know what I mean? Either he can put his soda in there, or he can put his little. He can make up his little muscle drink, whatever you call that stuff. The muscle powder. Nah. So he be lifting weights and getting buff and strong out there. So yeah, there it is, y'all. My new tumbler. Well, Juju's new one. Garcia Vegas. Cigar smoking can cause cancers of the mouth and throat, even if you don't inhale. I didn't inhale sound like Bill Clinton. I didn't inhale. Might as well. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And let me know, do y'all use y'all bird bucks or do y'all use your game bucks? Now, for y'all game, I'm letting y'all know right here. Like, I think right now, y'all think y'all slick. Because y'all knew I was going to do a game, y'all think y'all slick. Because y'all knew I was going to do me a video on my Tumblr. And you know how I just be straight representing White House. They say, hey, let's get some of that endorsement. So yeah. But let me know if y'all use y'all points to buy items from the store. I do smoke a lot. That's one thing, you smoke a lot, you get a lot. And I know a lot of y'all be out there smoking. And you know what I mean? Start saving, you know what I mean? Start saving them points. You might feel like, you know what I mean? I don't want to save no points. Why get the cigars if you're going to waste the points? If you don't use them, send them to me. Let me use them. I'll buy something with them. But nah, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And please don't forget to subscribe. I'm currently at 511 subs. So if y'all just visiting, cruising by, go ahead, stop right there and hit that subscribe button. Yeah, I'm talking to you. And subscribe to your boy. I'm trying to get that 1,000 subscriber next. Get my watch time hours up. And you know, everything is up from there. But yeah, this your boy, Scope 910. Sign out till next time. You know the lingo. Peace.